In the process of preparing the content for the wedding series, and then I just realized that 26th December ilipita kitambo sana and we did not unbox. Sema being in the moment, yani you were in the moment of Christmas, like hey, that was beautiful. But now let me just unbox. I got 2 gifts and I want to unbox them with you guys, so let's do this. So this is the first gift. This is the first gift. By the way, all these gifts I got them from men. Men are not dogs. Just so you know how to use that line. So yeah, this I got it from my dad. This I got it from my dad. Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is. Let me tell you guys. Let me tell you my people. This now, here we go. Video tripod. Yeah, this is it, my friends. Yeah, just in case. Mnajua mnaweza kuwa mnafikiria ni box na ndani ni chuma. Chini nionyeshe. It has it. And you see this, it definitely makes the truth. I mean, when your parent understands that you guys, you're into content creation. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you so much. Yeah. So yeah, that's the first one. Vizuri, and we take it back. Then the second gift is from another man as well, none other than my husband. I told you guys men are not dogs, so I'll show you what it's written. It says, we now have time to achieve our desires, imagination and goals. Let's fulfill them one step at a time. From Saj Zaidi. Saj is my husband's nickname because he's seriously in a relationship with God every day. Yeah. Zaidi sijui natoka wapi, sijui wadanganya. Sijui kama ni zaidi ni kwao Yesu nijue pendo lake na wokovu wake kamili. Sijui kama ni hiyo zaidi. Tutaambia kwa comments kama hiyo zaidi ni yeye nimeimba. Oh, back to the gift song. Fungua tuone kilichomo ndani yake. hata siwezi. Guys, remember what was captioned on the gifts? Oh, it's getting there. It's coming in my favorite color. Guys. This one is so much warming. Aww. Beautiful. I love this piece of art. So yeah guys, there you go. There we go. How do we call this now? It's a, of course it's a wall clock. Yeah. Customized. This is my favorite color. I love it. Thank you so much, babe. Thank you for this gift. I love you. Yes, we have time to create our dreams and our goals and you know all those things, and our babies as well. But I love this so much. There's a time my husband bought me this gift 2 years ago when we were still dating. He bought me such a gift for my birthday, guys. It wasn't the same design. It was a different design, but of course it was color purple. Imagine, and then Chambazi Sugu Chambas akaona tu ataiba hiyo saa. Mungu ni nani? Miaka yangu iliyoliwa na nzige akarudisha. God akarudisha. Talk about restoring. Mtoto amerudisha saa ikiwa poa because see, so it's now branded vizuri that I don't really remember, but I just need to something like this. So yeah, I have it back. Thank you, baby. Thank you, daddy. I love you. Thank you so much for watching this, guys. Tunaanza wedding series very very soon. So kama hauja subscribe, please subscribe. Niliomba tufike 1500 subscribers ndio nianze kupost. Please, let's do this. Tunafika 1500 mahali tuko. Let's do this, guys. I love you.